The Brava Oven Chef's Choice Set is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a wide range of cooking functions in one countertop smart oven. Here are some key features and functions of the Brava Oven Chef's Choice Set. 1. 10-in-1 functionality. The oven combines 10 different cooking functions in one unit, making it a versatile appliance for various cooking needs. 2. Touchscreen control. The oven comes equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, allowing you to easily select cooking modes and adjust settings. 3. Air fryer. The air frying function allows you to cook crispy and delicious foods with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. 4. 6-slice toaster. The oven can toast up to 6 slices of bread at a time, making it suitable for toasting bread, bagels, and other baked goods. 5. Slow cooker. With its slow cooking function, you can prepare tender and flavorful dishes over an extended period, perfect for stews, roasts, and soups. 6. Reheater. The reheating function helps you warm up leftovers quickly and evenly, preserving their original taste and texture. 7. Dehydrator. This function allows you to dehydrate fruits, vegetables, and meats, enabling you to make homemade dried snacks and preserve foods. 8. Rice cooker. The oven can also be used to cook rice, ensuring fluffy and perfectly cooked grains. 9. Healthy cooking. The Brava Oven Chef's Choice Set is designed to promote healthy cooking by using less oil for air frying and providing precise temperature control for optimal results. 10. Auto shut-off. For safety purposes, the oven is equipped with an auto shut-off feature, which turns off the appliance after a set period or when the cooking cycle is complete. 11. High power. The oven boasts an 1800-watt power rating, ensuring efficient and quick cooking.